Welcome to IT Handy Guide tutorial. My name is Kevin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install PHP. So you have to Google PHP for Windows. So you search PHP for Windows, and the first one, you go to download. Then you can download the latest version, which is 8.1.0. They have two kind of PHP. The first one is non-thread safe. Second one is thread safe. If you are using IIS, then you can download the non-thread safe. But if you are using Apache, then you must download thread safe. In this case, because I'm using Apache, so I will download the thread safe. Therefore, you click this one, then download this zip file. So after you download this zip file, you have to copy to the C drive. So this is my virtual machine, this one. So you need to go to the C drive, and this one is the PHP 8.1.8. Because I'm going to show you how to update the PHP version, so in this video, I will install 8.1.8. I will install the old version. So I Control C to copy, Control V to paste. It didn't allow me to paste anything to the C drive. In this case, I'm going to create a new folder and copy the PHP over here. Right click, use 7-zip to unzip. In this case, I'm going to change the name to the PHP. Control X to cut and paste to the C drive. Then I can delete the new folder. And F5 to refresh. So here is the PHP. If you want to check the version, then you can go to here, go to the property, check the detail. So now it is the 8.1.8. Because we need to run the PHP command, so we have to add this directory into the environment variable. So we go to this PC, right click, property, advanced system setting, environment variable, system variable, path, edit, add this directory, which is the PHP directory. Press OK, OK, OK. In order to confirm you add successfully or not, you need to go to the CMD, right click, run as administrator, yes. Then you type PATH. If you can see the PHP over here, then you will be fine. In this case, you can type PHP-V to check your version, that is 8.1.8. So this is the version. Okay, so if you install Apache directly, then this is the location of your Apache configuration file. If you install Apache file SAMP, then your Apache will under SAMP folder. If you install PHP directly, then your PHP will under C drive. If you install PHP file SAMP, then your PHP will under SAMP directory. And this one is your PHP configuration file. Okay. That's all. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the PHP into Apache. How can I do that? I need to go to Apache configuration file. So which is this one, httpd://conf. Right click, edit. Okay, so to the end, I'm going to add a few lines, which is this. Okay, this is the command. The hash means the command symbol, and that means this is the command. So what I'm going to do is, this is a PHP configuration. The first line, that means I'm going to load a module. So what module? Is a PHP module. So where is the module? This is the location of the module. Look at this. This is PHP 8, means PHP version 8. And Apache 2_4 means Apache version 2.4. So this module is a DLL file. And this DLL file is for Apache 2.4 can read PHP version 8. If you go to this place, that is in C drive, PHP, and this one, PHP 8 Apache 2_4 DLL. So what I have done is, please ensure the Apache PHP module, which is this one. This is the PHP module for Apache. In Apache, PHP is loaded as a module. And these two lines actually doing the same thing. This is the type handler. And sorry, this is a file handler. This is a type handler. So this line means, please read the PHP file. And this means, please read PHP type file. Okay, so what is the difference? Be honest with you, I don't really know. Most of people, they just add the first line. And some of the people, they add both lines. Therefore, I just try to copy both lines. So over here, so this is a file handler, and this is a type handler. That means, please read all the PHP file. This means, please read all the PHP type. But what is the difference between these two? I really don't know. Be more secure, I would suggest you to add both lines. Next one, PHP ini directory. So it's under PHP folder. What is the PHP ini? Let me show you. If you go to PHP, there are php.ini-development, and this one is php.ini-productions. So that means php.ini is actually the PHP configuration file, and this configuration file is for production environment. This PHP ini file is for development environment. Development environment file is actually for the developer to create a PHP website. This one is for the real situation you put into your server. Okay, but these two are actually just a template. At the moment, I don't have any php.ini file. And because this is the developer environment, so I'm going to copy this one, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And then I'm going to change the name to PHP ini. In this case, that means this local machine, this virtual machine, will use this php.ini as the PHP configuration file. So now I have a php.ini. So I have to tell Apache, please come to this folder to search php.ini. So this is php.ini. dir means directory. Okay, directory means the folder, the location. All right. So next one, I'm going to talk about the directory index. This is my directory index. By default, it only has the index.html. And this computer is installed. This virtual machine is installed XAMPP. I'm going to show you what is the directory index in XAMPP. If you go to XAMPP, C drive, go to XAMPP and Apache, conf, httpd://conf. You open this one and you try to search directory index. And here is the directory index in SAMP. You copy this and paste to here. Oops. Okay, what does that mean? Directory index is a list of file name. If the file in document root is a location, okay, it's a folder, okay. If the file in document root match one of the file name in directory index, then that file will be loaded as a home page. If you install Apache directly, the index.php and the following file name to the directory, okay, add the index.php, this one, and this following name into the directory index. And this is for adding the file name of the home page. Alright, let me explain this to you. In this case, if my document root has index.php, then index.php will be the home page. If my document root has an index.php, also have a default.php, index.php will still be the home page because index.php is in front of default.php. Alright, look at this. This means change line. So if you don't have this symbol, then you have to put into the same line. That is line 285. If you want to change line, you need to add a slash. And that's it. Document root. What is document root? Let me show you. This is my document root. Okay, this is my document root. It's under server root and HTC document. Okay, so what is my server root? If you search that, you will see this is my server root. This is my server root. Okay, and server root is actually a variable. I define srv root as this value. So I define this variable. This is the variable name, and this is the value of this variable. So this is a C drive Apache 24. So server root, the value is this one. If you want to use this variable, you have to use the $ with the I think that is called bracket. Okay, $ and a bracket and the variable name in order to use the variable. So in this case, server root will be C drive Apache 24. And then if you go to the document root is the C drive Apache HT document. So that means which is this is the server root, and this is the document root. Okay, compared to SAMP, if you try to search document root, it's one word. If you try to search document root is under SAMP directly. It's under SAMP directly. So which means this is the document root. This is the document root. If you try to search the server root, and this is my server root, so which is this one. This is the server root in SAMP. This is document root in SAMP. Okay, so if you install Apache directly, this is server root and this is document root. So document root is under Apache. Alright, so what is the difference between document root and server root? Document root is the path that the server will load the file to serve. So that means all of your file like index.php, something.php must locate in this location, must locate in the document root. So what is the server root? Server root is the path that contains the file, error, log, etc. of the server. What does that mean? If you go to Apache over here, you will see, oh, I have an error This is all the error variable, and I have a log, a lot of log file. I have a lot of like server file in a server root. If you check the SAMP, this is the first computer, this is the second one. Okay, if you can check the SAMP, you will be able to find this is the server root that contains an error and log, and this is a document root that contains all the like PHP, CSS, this kind of stuff. Yeah, so that is the difference between document root and server root. Alright, if you change anything like me, I changed something in a Apache configuration file. I actually changed something in a Apache configuration file, so I have to restart the service. How to restart the service? You need to go to you need to go to the service manager. So in the service manager, you need to restart the Apache, and that's it. So this is all about the SAMP. I already told you, so I can skip that. Okay, 2.1. All right. Okay, remember this. In previously, if I go to the PHP, I didn't have the PHP INI, so I copy the php.ini-development and into this file, and then change the name to PHP INI. Therefore, if you install PHP directly, there was no PHP INI yet, and there has two types of PHP INI. The first one is for the development environment. Second one is for the production environment. So I copy this development into the PHP INI. So this is what I have done before. Okay, so I need to go to the PHP INI. Oh wait. Yes, I actually back up the httpd://conf/basic. Yes. Before you do any change, you should always have a Apache configuration file backup. Okay, I just can't remember if I done that. All right, so this is my PHP INI over here. Okay, let me double check if you install blah blah blah. 3.1. Oh, okay. So I'm going to the document root. So this is my document root. I have an index.php, sorry, index.html. So I'm going to change the file name to PHP. So I'm going to edit this file. Okay, at the moment, if you go to localhost, it will show it works and the server is running. I'm going to check my IP address. So my IP address is 48. So if I type 48, it will show me the server is running. Even if I'm in my own computer, I still can access to my virtual machine. So I'm going to change this name to this. So because now I changed the file name to the PHP, so I can use the PHP script. So I echo hello world and show me the PHP information. In this case, I'm going to refresh this one. So this is the hello world, that one, and this is the PHP information. So say again, refresh, hello world, and PHP information. If I come in here, I can do the same thing. Okay. One more thing is, try to search my SQLi. You will realize I haven't installed MySQL yet, so there's no setting yet. And in the next video, I'm going to install MySQL and set up MySQL into the PHP and Apache. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Have a good day.